Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to dress up the look of the engine bay in your BMW M2, M3, or M4? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project a little bit, and this is going to be a quick and easy one for you today. It should take about 5 minutes. Now, make sure to check out all the rest of my video series that's going to show off all of the other things that have been happening under the hood of my car. But the one last thing I've been missing is your DME cover here, the last black plastic cover I have in my engine bay. So I got this from Kies Motorsports. It's carbon fiber. It's going to look absolutely fantastic. This is about a 5-minute install, whether you have the stock engine brace or upgraded like I do. I'll walk you through it really quick on how you can add this to your car. So go ahead and pop the hood and let's get started. All right, so here we are underneath the engine bay. Now, I have the aftermarket struts from Kies Motorsports. Make sure to check those out. But the instructions are going to be the same whether you have an upgrade or the OEM. So the OEM will be a single bar across with two 15mm nuts on this end. If you have the M2, this plastic cover will cover one of those two. You can simply just pry it up. You don't necessarily have to take it off. I'm just going to lift it up and out of the way so I can get to that. I've got a combination. I've got 13mm and 15mm because of this aftermarket and my Downstar kit. But they should be OEM, they should be 15s. So go ahead and back both of those 15mm nuts off. Go ahead and take this bar off and set it aside, and then we're simply going to lift the cover off and replace it. Like I said, this is going to be a 5-minute project. Okay, so once you have that bar off, you can pull the cover off, and I've got it off partially because I wanted you to see this track right here. This hose goes over it, so you kind of have to lift up and out to get it out from underneath under that hose. And here's your DME. So if you haven't seen the brain of your car before, here it is. So then all you have to do is just take the new cover, which looks exactly the same post, and you're going to work it down and underneath. There's a little tab on this side that loops in right here, and then there's the 2 feet that go down into the grommets right here. So simply just take it underneath this hose, kind of work it underneath. You're going to want to get this front lip in and then set it down into place. It really is that simple. All right, now the new cover's in, like I said, just hook the tab in at this end, slide it underneath and set it down on those feet. Nice and secure, works just as well as the OEM. Go ahead and take your strut bar, whether it's aftermarket like this one or the OEM, and just fit it right back into place like that. And then you're going to torque these nuts down to 28 Newton meters. Get those torqued down, go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. You're all done, good job. All right, so one last look here before we button up. I really like the way this looks. It ties in all together with the rest of the Kies parts. So well done. I told you this was really easy. Go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. All right, all done. So good job. I told you this is easy. It's longer to explain than it is to actually do the work. So don't forget, everything that you need will be listed in the video description below, including any tools, the part numbers, all the places to get it. So make sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm really grateful to Kies Motorsports for making such a fantastic product that I love having in my car, and I think you will too. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it myself. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next project.